a dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
My people, amid the Edo State gubernatorial election, the court has affirmed Yusuf Kadiri as the Labour Party deputy governorship candidate. Moving on to the next one we have, the Labour Party said that the party remains the only platform for Peter Obi to contest and emerge victorious in this 2027 presidential election. But my people, before I go bring the matter, I go welcome on to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, your home of news and politics. So if today now your first time to join this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all our better subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers out there, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. My people, it don't happen again. No, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja on Thursday has ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission (Inec) to recognize Prince Yusuf Kadiri's son as the deputy governorship candidate of the Labour Party for the forthcoming gubernatorial election in Edo State. Hey, my people, don't be small matter. The court, in their judgment that was delivered by Justice Emeka Wite, held that the Labour Party was within their rights when they nominated Kadiri's son as the running mate to the flag bearer of the election, Mr. Olumide Akpata. So now Justice Wite said that the electoral body had no right to reject Yusuf Kadiri's nomination since the party acted in line with the provision of both the Electoral Act 2022 and the 1999 Constitution as amended. But for you guys can recall that before the primary governorship election in Edo State, the governorship candidate of the Labour Party, Olumide Akpata, picked Yusuf Kadiri as his running mate for the election slated for September 21st, 2024. So even though Yusuf Kadiri's name was forwarded to Inec by the party, my people, the commission published Alufohia Oloyinka Faith as the deputy governorship candidate of the Labour Party. Upon realizing the error, the party wrote to the electoral body asking them to replace the name they published with that of the candidates they nominated, and it was forwarded to them. So following the failure of the Inec to comply with the directive, the Labour Party brought the case before the court. So while delivering their judgments in the suit marked FHC/ABJ/CS/556/2024, which had Inec as the sole defendant, Justice Wite faulted the commission for their refusal to make the requested substitution. So it was held that Section 31 of the Electoral Act 2022 gave the room for a political party to, within 90 days to a scheduled election, to write to Inec and demand the withdrawal of the candidate whose name was already published. So the judge held that evidence before the court shows that the Labour Party did not act outside the provision of Section 29, 31, 32, and 33 of the Electoral Act 2022. My people, always small beggar. So Justice Wite held that though the Electoral Act gave INEC the power to set guidelines and timetables for an election, and they also stipulated the procedure the commission must follow in the discharge of their statutory responsibilities. But the court held that the Labour Party tendered two exhibits that established that they duly conveyed their decision to withdraw the name that was published by INEC more than 160 days before the scheduled governorship poll. And it was noted that the stamp on INEC showing their receipts of letter from the Labour Party was dated April 15. So the court held that the party complied with relevant provision of the Electoral Act and the 1999 Constitution, stressing that INEC lacked the power to reject Yusuf Kadiri candidacy. Hey, my people, don't be small. Wala. So consequently, aside from directing the electoral body to accept and recognize Yusuf as the deputy governorship candidate of the Labour Party, Justice Wite issued an order of perpetual injunction restraining INEC from publishing the name of any other person in his stead. My people, don't be small matter. So now Justice Wite hereby declared Yusuf Kadiri as the deputy governor in this forthcoming governorship election in Edo State. My people, don't be small matter. Since INEC saw the error and they didn't correct it, they went on to publish the name. Even when Labour Party don't see him, tell them say, see the error, Mona put this person name. Now this person I want as Labour Party deputy governor, but they no listen. My court don't say no evidence. They didn't bring up any tangible evidence. Rather, Labour Party brought a tangible evidence to defend themselves, and they hereby rule out the candidate that was presented by Inec. My people don't be small wiggy. So guys, I go like know what I think about this matter in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Labour Party said that the party remains the only platform for Peter Obi to contest and emerge victorious in the 2027 presidential election. So the National Vice Chairman of the party, Ayo Olurofemi, stated this in an interview on Channel TV Politics today. So you guys can recall that Obi, who has run for presidency under the Labour Party in 2023 election, has come under pressure from some members of his obedient support group to quit the party, which has been hit by crisis after election ahead of the 2027 polls. So responding to the call for Peter Obi to leave the Labour Party, Olurofemi said that through obedience won't suggest for Obi to leave the party. Well, he will just use this word delusional. Those ones that are pressing for such, they are delusional. That some persons can't overreach themselves. The true obedience out there, they won't advise Peter Obi to leave the party. So they have the true obedience, the Student Union Group, the youth of Nigeria, the hardworking people of Nigeria. At this junction, they are all tired of what is going on in Nigeria. So people are tired of hunger. Which political party will he go now? To go back to PDP, APC, or to where? That this is a political party that is based on ideology. And they are all social democrats. So the people that put this political party up are social democrats. And that is entrenched in the constitution. So the only place for Peter Obi to win the election in 2027 is the Labour Party, and they are preparing for that. Olurofemi said that the former Anambra State governor remained the best president Nigeria is yet to have, adding that by the special grace of God, they will emerge the winner in 2027. So he expressed confidence that the Labour Party will come out of their crisis stronger, saying that the leadership of the party under Julius Abure will fight for peace in the party, and they will open the return of the Lamide Apapa camp into their fold. So now Olurofemi is assuring Nigerians that the process of reconciliation is ongoing, and that Apapa and Abayomi are still members of the party. That the party may have a special convention to fill some position that were not occupied in the last convention. So now people they talk say Peter Obi doesn't need to win another presidential election to prove anything. That even President Bola Ahmed Tinubu sitting in the presidential villa today knows that Peter Obi is the real winner of the 2023 presidential election. But if PDP gives Peter Obi their ticket, chances of winning is far richer than being in Labour Party. The Labour Party does not have the spread for structure. That if PDP want to win, they should either make Peter Obi or Goodluck Jonathan their flag bearer. No be small matter. Do you all agree or you have any contrary opinion? Let us know in the comment section. Relate your thoughts, your opinion in the comment section. As we wrap up with this, I thank you all so much for watching Reality Latest Gist. For more information, kindly subscribe to our YouTube page. Till next time, bye for now.